Now, this is my daughter's Lexus, and we're going to try the PDR on one little dent, which is right dead center of the camera there. You see it? That right there. I think I already touched it up a little bit. I think there was a tiny bit of paint damage. It's probably from a shopping cart. It's about the height of the back handle of the shopping cart that you push around. So we'll get the tool out and we'll try this. Okay, so I put one tab, that's the smallest pulling tab that I have, and I'm going to let that cool off, which means it hardens, which means it adheres for about 30 seconds or so. It does not take very long for glue gun glue to harden. You guys all know that. So then we'll give it a pull. Well, this should be interesting. Really, when you think about it, there's thousands of different kinds of dents and kinds of pulls and different pull tabs to use and different tools. So this really is, it's not that simple. All right, let's give it a pull. Well, actually, I'm not sure that did anything. That glue did not hold. Oops, sorry about that. That glue did not hold very much at all. I'm going to try again, and I guess I'll put a little more glue on the tab. It could actually be that these really, really small dents are harder to pull out than the bigger ones. Could be. I am learning this as I am shooting these videos for you guys and gals. So we'll let that sit for about a minute this time. Okay, we're going to try again. Well, let's see what happens. This glue is not sticking at all. So, two things. Number one, I'm going to get some metal tabs. They look the same as this, but because they're metal, there won't be any loss of pull power, any flexing. Like these are plastic things, they do flex a little bit when you're doing the pull. And the other thing is I'm going to get some stronger glue. So we gave it a shot. That dent is not moving at all. We're learning. I have another video. You can see it on my tools playlist. Doing a Subaru hood that was hail damaged, and that one shows a little bit more than what this one shows today, although each one is kind of a learning process. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later, guys and gals. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Okay, I did actually almost get the whole thing out. I did a couple more pulls after I signed off. And what I'm doing is a quick, sharp, fast snap on it. Because I know the glue's going to let go anyway, but I just give it as much force as I can. And I'll show you. All right. Nothing much different except we're going to go 1, 2, 3, snap it like that. I've been cleaning it off with Goof Off and a plastic scraper. I'll show you. You're supposed to use alcohol, but I ran out of alcohol. So you just wet it up a little bit like that. That doesn't hurt anything. So I can still feel it, but you know, you have to know when to call it good. And I am going to call that good. Remember, there's a little tiny paint touch up in the center of it. But that dent is definitely 75-80% better than what it was. So sometimes you just have to keep after it, I guess. But I do think a stronger glue would make this whole process go faster, and maybe some metal pull tabs. Okay, see ya. Froggy out. Bye. So now, without having special lighting on it and with normal shadows and such, you really, unless you know where to look, you really don't see that at all. It's like 90% fixed. So I'm going to call it good and move on to my next project, which is fixing a broken washing machine. See you later.